I thought I'd put it at the start. It's quite good. Oh, here's the actual start.大家好，我是四六建国，我在内蒙古自治区鄂尔多斯 innermongolia autonomous region, and I'm in the desert. So today I'm travelling through Kubuqi 沙漠, or the Kubuqi Desert here in Ordos. We've rented a car and we're travelling along something known as 传沙公路. So that's the highway that passes through the desert. It's quite amazing that a modern highway has been built through the desert. It's amazing. Right now, Kubuqi 沙漠 is China's 7th largest desert. It spans 2 banners here in Ordos. We're currently in Hangjin banner. The total surface area of Kubuqi Desert is around about 18,600 square kilometres. That is huge. To put that into perspective, London, the capital city of where I'm from, is roughly 1,600 square kilometres. So this is massive. Now the desert is on the southern bank of Huanghe, the Yellow River, and apparently it's shaped like a spoon. This desert was once the source of frequent sandstorms hitting Beijing and Tianjin, and it was once known as Suwangzhihai, the Sea of Death, due to the harsh conditions and the fact that there was basically no life here. But now this is the site of one of the world's most successful desert control projects in the world. Government policy, local government assistance, private investment, altogether over the past 30 years has helped to transform Kubuqi 沙漠, and now 1/3 of the desert is green. Look at this, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's like a desert oasis. Look at all the camel tracks. Camels must come here to drink. The water's so clear because this is from the Yellow River. And this is where the greening magic takes place. It's not magic, it is engineering actually. There's lots of 直沙项目 or desertification, desert control projects here in Kubuqi Desert. Somewhere in the desert there is a huge solar energy base that prevents desertification. At the northern edge of the desert there's a forest belt and that prevents desertification towards the Yellow River. But the main project here is known as Yinhuangzhisha. Now that's the diversion of floodwater caused by melting ice in the upper reaches of the Yellow River, and that floodwater is diverted through the hinterlands of the Kubuqi Desert via something known as a shuijia, or a flood diversion sluice. So water via this sluice is diverted through the desert and back to the Yellow River, so it prevents flooding on the banks of the Yellow River, and it's turned Kubuqi Desert green. It's not magic though, it's not magic. And there is the incredible sluice. So you can actually see the water flowing through here. It's not quite the 3 gorges image that I imagined, but it's still very important. And this water has created lakes and wetlands here in the Kubuqi Desert. Now you can do things that you couldn't do before in the desert. For instance, sunbathe. No, you could sunbathe before in the desert. Swimming? No, you're not supposed to swim in this water. Oh no, you can raise crabs. You couldn't do that before. So this is 男人蛮多货, 老蛮, 你好.
你好, 你好.
老蛮 is going to show me how he raises crabs in what was once the Sea of Death. 你是从小在沙漠里长大的吗？
是了，沙漠里头长大的。
你也建立一个民宿
啊，我的。
那游客多吗？
行了，
是吗？
啊，
我听说你也养牛，你一共有多少头牛？
现在有个700来头。
哇，那一头多少钱？
平均咱卖个7、8千啊。
7、8千
啊，
所以800头一头7、8千。Oh my god！ 这里的水都是黄河的水是吗？
黄河水。
那20年前这里的环境怎样？
没有水，我们这儿就是沙漠，沙漠里头长点嫩草，找点沙蒿。
所以那个时候生活比较辛苦是吗？
哎，那阵儿辛苦。像我们现在这个沙漠里头有这么大的水。
这水都是因为这儿的水生态项目，所以这水生态项目怎么改善了你的生活？
因为让它水进来以后， 环境也好了，草也绿起来了，牛羊也有吃的了。过去呢就是天旱的其中，干沙漠啥也没有，牛羊也多养不长。
好吃吗？这种螃蟹？
我们这个螃蟹肯定是好吃的，
所以今天我们可以试试 dry 一些。
行。
哇，挺大，
这大了，木屑嘛，吐出来这水还白白的，清清的清水，看吧，这行业慢慢的，这开始拧拧的，收好了，这种。
是这是最大的是吗？
现在比那大的还有，
那儿有一个更大的，哇！
现在下午要出货了，
这里一共多少斤啊？
差不多有550斤。
哇！ I think I'm probably going to eat you. I'm sorry. I'm probably going to eat you too. Sorry. So here are my 4 crabs and a few more. I can't believe that these are actually from the Yellow River, from Huanghe. Well, not really. They're from water from the Yellow River diverted into the Kubuqi Desert. That's amazing. Right, so let's open them up and try. Oh yes, lovely. If there's any British people watching, they might be a bit squeamish because they don't really eat crabs like this. We need to take out the lungs. Can't eat those. And then, I love that sound. Oh yeah. Wow, really creamy. Tastes really good. Oh, come on. Out you come. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so creamy. I'm not actually dipping it into anything, no vinegar, no ginger or anything like that, because the locals eat these crabs directly because they're so tasty. I've eaten 6, 7, not quite sure. I could eat more, but Lao Man said if I eat more, people might think I'm a bit greedy. So he said 7's enough. Okay, next stop. So one of the great things about the greening of the desert leading to more life here is that you can come across scenes like this. A camel having oh, no, it's all right, no. Wild cows. I shan't be getting any closer. There is lots of life in Kubuqi Desert now. A bit less life after I ate those crabs, but generally speaking, lots of life. So there's crabs, fish, birds, cows, camels, grass, trees, plants, people. And by people, I mean lots of tourists come here now because the greening of Kubuqi Desert has led to the growth of something called 沙漠生态旅游, so that's desert ecotourism, and 沙漠探险旅游, so that's desert adventure tourism. Now the place where I am right now is called 七星湖沙漠生态旅游区, the 7-star lakes desert ecotourism scenic area. It's called 7-star lakes because there are 7 lakes. This lake behind me is the largest of them all, and it's a great place to see the greening of the desert. So today I'm going to go enjoy some desert ecotourism, and then in a little while I might have an adventure. So this whole area is a 国家级水里风景区, so that's a national level water conservancy scenic area. You would never guess that we're in the middle of a desert. It's amazing. Now, as for the adventure that I'm going to be taking later, a lot of people travel to Ordos to take part in desert rallies, so driving across the sand dunes. Now, obviously I can't do that because I'm not, I've never done it before. It's quite dangerous if it's your first time. So I might do something simple like, I don't know, like 滑沙, like just slide down a desert dune. Just simple, safe. So one of the popular things that tourists like to do when they're travelling through the desert here in Ordos, in fact there's 2 things here. One, up there, 滑沙, some people climbed a sand dune, they're going to slide down the dune, and another called 冲沙, where you get in one of these cars and you have a nice leisurely drive through the desert. That's what I'm going to do. Oh my God. Oh, I can't even get out. Oh, sugar. Okay. So that was Chongsha. Yeah. I think I might need to go change my underwear. Oh my gosh. So definitely a different kind of tourism location. That might be the scariest thing I've ever done in China. But coming to a scenic location like this, you can not only appreciate the work that's been done to turn it into a tourism location, you can also appreciate the work that's been done to turn the desert into a green oasis. Whew. I did check, I don't need to change my underwear.